Okay, good. So we got those knots tight in there. Now I'm going to cut it in the back. Again, I'll take the probe to see what we've got here. Okay, good. Probe, thank you. All right, so now, Cody, I've got a couple. Tighten it, lift the arm up a little bit. So we got a little tighter in the back here. I may do one more. Well, let's see. Looks pretty reasonable there. We got that tightened there. I don't want to do two more. I'll do one more right here. Open it up again for me, please. Thank you, sir. Good. Again, when I'm trying to just kind of grab the labrum there. Paul, you want to grab it in the front there, buddy? Paul, can you grab it in the front, please? There we go. Good. Going to grab that right there. Thank you.
Hard upside down.
It's hard upside down, absolutely. There you go. Grab that piece. Excellent. Pull it through. Good. Lots of length. Pull it through more. Pull. Keep coming. Good. Okay, now I'm going to pull back. Roll it out. Good. There you go. I'll grab this right here. Okay, hold the camera. See, that's already short because I know that's going to be my post, right? Snap. So now I've got, this is my third suture in the back. Then we're going to go to the front and do a formal reconstruction in the front when you tore it during your crazy military procedure where they jerked your arm around. Again, these are just 3 little tacking sutures. Tighten up that capsule, not too much. Just doing a little sewing here. If you could see, we've got a whole team of people taking care of you here, and it's what it takes. It's a village here at the university. From our anesthesiologist to our excellent scrub tech and my residents. Sometimes it's hard to get that knot done. See? Excellent.
You gonna anchor up on the
Yeah, well, let's take a look. Show me. Okay, so we got those 3 in the back. Give me a probe, please. Let me take a look. Thank you. All right, so I think, guys, as we're looking here, I think he's stable up top. This is mostly for inferior. I think that looks just fine. All right, now we're going to come to the front. Let's see what we got in the front. We'll go to pause. Okay, so far.